Cheers.
Good work.
Is that a digital SLR?
No, I don't think so.
I think that's your best option.
Yeah, you can just do your best, though. How's your throwing it? Oh,
Do I need to get a cricket ball? You're
yeah,
good with a
it's-
six-stitcher?
Been a while.
Just wondering whether you're better off throwing it by a wing, that's all.
Okay.
I'll go full throttle and at your leisure, okay?
Yep.
Good. There's just nothing there. Absolutely nothing. That's alright. That wasn't up to flying speed, so I didn't even have a chance, unfortunately. That's all right. Hang on, I'll hold it for you so you can.
So it's just popped apart or broke?
Broke. But that's the whole idea of these things.
Yeah.
A little bit of CA and she's back together again
Yes.
for another day.
Good.
Or you print a whole new part.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and you got a strut in there?
Oh yeah, there's a carbon rod that runs down the centre.
Yep. So it's to a plan, is it, or something that you've just...
No, the guy actually drew it up, so he's designed it all. And
So he's got them flying?
no, this
No,
is
this is a real
Right.
Yep.
test flight Maiden. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you just probably need to go straight to a bungee launch.
Yep.
Because you just need the speed. There was
Yeah.
nothing there.
Yeah.
Just,
Yep.
You're just chucking a brick.